Hey everybody, it's Shadowstar and Crystal here for more Princess Peach Showcase. This time, it's a door.
I could go to this door. I really have three choices. I could go to the door, or I could probably go down to the basement.
But didn't I do the boss last time, so...
That's true. I think, yeah, I might as well do this boss. Alright, how many is it gonna need? Yeah, okay, give 20. Easy. Yeah, I wonder what the absolute minimum is to beat the game.
Don't know. Probably gets higher each time, so...
Yeah. Because we are not completionists, especially not for this game. So we're not going to go back in every level and get all the things.
No, but we are going to go back in a black hole.
It's choppy again.
It's only in these types of load screens. It's weird.
Yeah, this purple swirly one. There we go.
Maybe it's intentional. A cat.
It's like the Cheshire
Yeah,
cat.
it is, yeah.
Yeah, that's the Cheshire cat face.
Oh, that's right. The Cheshire cat raps.
Oh, yeah.
You sound like Persian from the episode. Madam Grape. Wonderful name.
Yeah, that's the villain we've been dealing with.
That sounds like the Persian and the feral Meowth from Go West Young Meowth.
Oh, yeah. This room setup reminds me of in
Mario Party 4.
when you get the room.
Yes, I was about to say.
I did that once.
What if they put the first 3 on 64? What if Mario Party 4 comes to Switch Online?
Okay.
I think you have to somehow shoot that at him.
I already made it blue. Ugh. That hit me no matter where I was.
There must have been a strategy. Then you must probably have to hurt him before it. Can you pick it up? Can you just run into it?
No.
There must be a...
Oh god, no matter where I stand, it's...
What do we do then?
I'm confused.
Well, try something. Don't bop it. When it goes to swing it, bop it back at it.
No.
Spin it again. Try and get it into the middle.
I'm gonna get hit no matter what. These hands. Oh!
Yes!
What did I do?
It was in the middle, so it flew up into his face.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think my boss level was like a climbing up thing.
Yes, it was. You also did the first boss where the balls come up and you hit the disco ball thing, remember?
I'm sure you're onto something. Yeah, bop it into the middle. If the cat is trying to play with it, you've got to bop it back into the middle.
Okay, it's in the middle. But he's gonna try and hit it. Oh yeah, he moved it away. It's in the middle. Oh, he's gonna do it again.
What is it?
Bop, bop, bop.
When's it going to do the thing?
Can you do the slam both hands
Yeah,
down?
no, lure him.
Oh, slam your hand on this. Buddy?
Oh, here we go.
But how do I avoid it?
You don't take damage if he takes damage.
Oh yeah, I see it. I didn't take damage because he hit the thing.
You'll only take damage if he doesn't get hit with the bomb first.
Okay. Alright, round 3.
Alright, yep, more surviving. Can you lure him in? Yep. No.
No, that's not what I want.
Well, lesson learned at least. Okay, well, you can't blame me for thinking it.
Yeah, I thought it too. Can I have another thingy?
No, because now you're just gonna
He's
get...
gonna
yeah.
slam.
Now we know to let... Okay.
Oh, I survived it.
I guess you jumped at the right moment.
Alright, come here, little mouse thing.
Yeah, sorry.
It's a bomb chew!
Oh my god, you're right. This episode's about blowing up mice.
Right. No, don't! He slammed it.
Well, now you know the lesson.
Yeah, we already learnt that lesson.
Yeah, you were supposed to bop it out the way.
Yeah, okay. But he knows I need the new one, so he's skipping to this. Meow!
Yeah, now you're not taking damage.
I'm good at this game.
Alright, bombify it.
Get away. There we go.
Bop it, bop it, bop it!
Shit!
And here we go again. This'll be a minute, folks.
Yeah, okay. There we go.
Right, do it again. Looks kind of like a bird sometimes. Bop it. Well,
It's okay. It was just me.
and again.
Gotta take the hit to make the play.
Yeah, how many hits do you want to take?
I don't know.
Alright, this is easy. He's just gonna... No, he's gonna do more boppies. And then he's gonna swipe it.
Well, you can swipe it. That won't destroy it.
You're gonna die. Alright,
Now I just gotta put it back into place in the middle.
alright. Yeah, we get it. That's fine.
You
That's
can
easy.
swipe it. I just gotta put it back quickly before he does the slam.
Oh, great. Here goes more boppies. And more boppies. This is dragging on.
Right, you can swipe it. And then I put it back. And you're still not gonna slam.
That lower swipe was purely for the intention of hitting you.
Here we go.
Alright.
Got him.
That's got to be the end of everyone's game. Bubble fire. Well, that's over.
Yeah. Which means you get a turn.
Oh no, I get a loading screen.
Yeah, that too.
Yes, we get it. Okay, door.
Which means we'll probably unlock a new floor, but also we have two things waiting in the basement.
That's true. We kind of probably have to do those things because they might give us like you know, more stars.
Mm.
Yep. Earthquake. What? Is that just the way to go upstairs, or?
No, there's more stairs.
Then what's this?
We'll find out.
We won't, because they just keep looking at each other.
Oh, it's a star lift. Oh, you could go to the basement and other floors more quickly.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah,
Which
okay.
means you don't have to do 2 loading transitions to the basement.
Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Which floor are we on? 2?
3.
Oh, wow. Oh, because the first floor is like nothing.
No, the first floor had 4 levels.
Was this the third? We couldn't have just done the third set.
Yes, we did.
Holy shit, the game's going fast. Wait, we did that one.
Yes. Look at the rest of them.
Oh, there. I see one up there. That's
That's a cowboy.
Cowboy.
There must be a baker over there.
And over here we have Cookie Land.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's go.
Do this thing. Open door. You really love your spiral background. Loading screens. They're loading. Whenever you're ready, game. Take your time. Alright, let's go do this. Whip a guy in an eye. Then you can play the piano better. Yes, just put me on the horse. Alright, time for everyone's ethical puzzle. Shut up, phone. Alright, let's go. You're dead. You're dead. Aha. I'll have that.
Oh, nice.
And you can die too. Jump. Over to the side. Come on. Move faster, horse.
Yeah,
Come
that
on.
horse won't go any faster.
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, save the person.
Oh, fine. This train can speed up. I am hurrying. There's no speed up button on the horse. Okay. Yep. Thank you, sir. Let's get on with life.
How do you know it's a sir?
Everyone's a sir. I have a horse, you dumbass.
Where'd it go?
They stole my horse. Oh, because I need to put the guy in the carriage.
No,
No, that's my horse. Give it
you
back.
get on the back.
No, you're stupid.
Well, you've got 3 carriages to that. Oh, because it's for doing stuff.
Okay, I see what this is.
That's why he gave you the back.
Haha! I got another... Oh, they're gonna blow my car up. Yep. Alright, let's go. Can I have this barrel?
Sure, but why? Good job.
Look, the killing of the guy resulted in the killing of the me. There we go. See? You weren't expecting that. I'm coming, but first... Give me something. Oh, I got the Wallace ribbon again. It's just, oh, it's like that Wiggler level in, you know, the Mario game.
Sure.
I forget which one it is. It's one of the... because they're all the same! Sir, I'm killing you. You can die too. Alright, back to platforming. Why is there just stuff in space?
Yeah, it's all just floating.
Okay. Is the train gonna chase us, or are we chasing the train? Okay, the train is chasing us. Sir, tell my horse to go.
because the bad guys are in it.
Oh, I see what I needed to do.
Use the barrels at the train.
Look, directions aren't easy.
There you go.
Stay away, bitch. Oh, probably because I left half my cars to die.
Oh, because you didn't hit the train much.
That's what I'm saying. But more importantly, this level is over, and so is this episode.
Thank you.
No, there's still some time.
Well, now you're just forcing more time so you can do this level.
Well, it's my turn, and, well, considering the amount of time, I should probably do the baker one, because these ones are shorter.
True. Time for more Cake Factory. After our loading screen.
Yep. Yeah, because I noticed the main levels that'd be in the room
Would
are
be
a
longer.
bit bigger. They can take up to 10 minutes. More if you're a stupid detective. But,
That was such a dumb episode.
these little ones are more like 5 minutes, I guess.
Great. That means you can do more Cake Factory.
Alright.
Also, Jesus Christ, how many doors are there? I think 10.
That must be how many different costumes there are.
And if each costume has 2 levels,
Then there's 20 main levels.
there we go. We figured out the game.
Great.
Plus bosses and whatnot.
Oh, yeah. Plus doing each of these.
So that makes it closer to...
Yeah, because I'm
30.
still not sure whether you get the final boss from doing every floor or from,
doing these.
yeah, doing all of these.
Who knows? But we have to do them because we need stars.
I found this pose thing.
Okay.
Of course, you want cookies. Oh, I blew it up by accident.
No star for you.
Hang on, they bring it back. That much. You want the cookies. There we go.
There we
There's
go,
the
1
first
star.
thing.
Right. Yeah, okay.
Okay. She's evil.
Everyone's evil. You're only evil if you're not evil. Okay. Can we play the game now? It's Ghost Olimar.
Is there anything else over here?
Yeah, cake.
I can make these cookies.
Alright, who wants some?
Good question. Did anyone want these cookies? You! You're hungry. And you give me the ribbon. I really think there's nothing over there. That's a wall.
Alright, in the door. Here we go. Play more cake mini games.
Okay. Okay. Of course, the baker costume representative is the one that looks feminine.
Wasn't there another one?
No, both of them looked. I don't.
No, I'm trying to think. Wasn't there other costumes where people look like... Wow. Nicely done.
There we go. You can keep trying though, and the bad ones disappear.
That's true. There's no time limit. They're not
That
gonna...
one, yeah, that one didn't have time limit. I think.
Never mind. There is.
Not as quickly as they hoped for. Okay. Okay, oh my god, these round bits. So I go like around this.
Oh yeah, I see the timer. You're winning, but hurry up and finish.
I'm
You're
just.
gonna catch up. They've won again.
That was.
Alright, enjoy losing. I know you enjoy it.
I'll try again.
And they're
Okay.
on their next phase. Yeah. You've lost because they've already finished this third phase and you
I
haven't...
can't, yeah. That's probably just gonna kill me. Look, this ain't easy. You haven't even tried it.
No, I play real games.
This is part of the game.
And that's why I don't play it. Alright, do this properly this time.
Oh, jeez.
Connect the dots. Faster, faster, faster.
Done.
Yep, did it before them.
Great. But this second one is a bitch.
You've got a slight head start though, because the time carries over, so they're still a tiny bit behind you.
Okay. These round bits are a bitch. Okay. You just go around the thing. That's better.
Go, they've just entered the second phase.
Around. Did it.
Good,
Give me
good.
my next thing.
Good, you're on the final phase, they're still halfway through the second.
See, I get better each time.
That's how life is supposed to work.
Okay, what's my third thing? It's gonna be something stupid. Oh no, it's just I, and then around the hat. That's it. They made the third one easier.
And they hadn't even gotten onto the third one.
You didn't even put a head on yours.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, game, we know we won. That was just for 1 star.
Yep, there's still 3 more bits to this.
This'll be a minute, folks.
Yeah, I thought this level would be faster, but I forgot that it's the baker.
Yeah, they like to waste our time.
Hey, my cake. Who eats it from the bottom like that? Oh, but that turns out good.
Ah, yes, everyone knows. Only purple people can be evil.
Oof. Yeah, you can
And
tell
that
this one's feminine because it has eyelashes. That's how cartoons work.
Look, sometimes you need shorthand. Even though every human has eyelashes and any human can wear it.
No.
Well, that also gave you a 2nd star, so it's not as slow as we thought.
Yeah. There's 2 more things. Okay.
Oh no, however
the
will we move a
curtains.
freaking curtain?
We have to bake stuff.
Curtains are food operated.
It's gonna be more cookie bowls.
Why are you a ghost?
Okay. Why do villains always do, I promise I'll let you leave if you beat me? Why not just, I won't let you leave?
Games are shit.
Okay. Alright, cookies. Oh, together. Oh, if I'd gone to her one, it would have gone faster. Fill the... Where do I put the cookies?
Up the
Oh,
top.
up there. Okay, sorry. Oh, yeah, she's just helping me and... Oh, frick.
Alright. Run.
Oops.
Oh yeah, that's what we want to see.
Hey, I thought I stopped. It kept going.
No, it didn't. You lost.
That much, yes.
Well, they're winning this round. They are so ahead of you.
No, look how many cookies.
Oh.
We're about even.
Well, that's... Oh yeah, because you've got a helper. I say helper, they keep walking your way. But their piles are
Oh,
usually...
frick, I made a small one.
Alright, just quickly go for it. Alright. Every little bit helps.
Come on, come on.
Yo.
Oh. Yeah, I thought she was gonna delete the cookies I was holding. Yeah, she's still got one empty plate, and I've got that almost full tower. Can I walk?
No, you cannot. That's
Oh,
illegal.
that destroyed what I was holding. And destroyed my friend. See, she wastes time trying to kill me. Oh, there's all the piles.
One pile's bigger.
Yeah, because I probably made a big batch and then, I don't know.
Why'd we miss one?
Good question. She's got a point. What kind of baker goes like, I bet I can make cookies faster than you? That's not how baking works. Oh, have this, it'll turn you good.
Everything's magic. We killed a ghost.
Great.
Oh good, we're gonna start.
Yeah, well that's the end of the thing.
And that's the end of the episode.
Yes.
Delicious. Thank you.
Alright, and that's the end of that.
Well then, once this fluff gets out of our way.
Yeah, they're probably gonna do a slight thing showing the person is happy.
Oh yeah. And the loading screen too.
Great, we love those.
Oh yeah, they make up half our video runtime.
Oh my god.
No, that's if we ever get around to doing Crash Team Racing.
Oh god. I mean, we were gonna, but we had other ideas.
We will one day.
Yeah.
We'll come back to it.
Well, there we go then.
Well, with that being said, we'll see you next time for more fluff and other things as well. See you next time, guys.